Too Rich Gang, what's down with y'all, man? It's your boy J Reed, aka call me whatever you want, comments don't call me bro, cause I'm really too rich. I'm back here with another video, man. Today, bro, we got like 4 videos in one, twin. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm finna go get my muffler delete though, bro. I got 2 fits right now. I'm finna get some content. If y'all don't know, I have a clothing brand, J Studios. This is unreleased, like old as hell. I never dropped, but I got it on, cause imagine I'm gonna give y'all a fit check later, but I got a clothing brand called J Studios, aka JSZ.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Think about changing the country, taking the sauce, then heard it from.
Bro, what's up with y'all, boy? Bro, I just texted this nigga and called him. Finna be outside, bro. I'm down the street. This nigga don't answer, bro. Hey, bro, I don't know what's up with niggas, bro. That's why when you pick niggas up, bro, you gotta let them know hours ahead, bro. I'm coming, bro. Cause look at these. Oh, there nigga go. Fuck. Oh, bitch ass. What the fuck? Bro, we got the same shoes on, bro. No, bro. No, bro. No.
What? Oh my god.
Fuck. And I was finna put them sweats on.
I'm not gonna read.
Bro.
No way, bro.
No way, bro. What the fuck? Bro, I swear that shit don't be playing, bro. It be too much times we be having the same shit on, bro. I swear to God, bro. On my mama, bro. God can strike me down right now. I had the Beasley sweats and I was gonna put them on, bro. But I'm like, let me just wear some all black ones with the red Thunders. This nigga come outside and he got the red fucking Thunders on, bro. This shit is crazy, buddy. This shit is crazy, buddy. What the fuck, buddy?
Niggas, if a nigga ain't frontin' shit, if a nigga play with me, I'ma shoot this shit, then put his body up in my whip in the trunk. Yeah, I'm smoking that phone. This my shit stink like the skunk.
So, sign with y'all, son. Started the intro already and shit, so y'all already know what's going on today. Finna get this bitch right. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Bro changed his shoes, by the way. You got black cats on now. We ain't matching no more, bro. I told them niggas they look a little zesty. So we ain't trying to be zesty today. Yeah. Just not today.
I've got lots of massages from men.
Huh? Whoa! Fuck! Beamer. What you thinking about cutting, bruh? Thinking about going mufflers, I don't know, might go resonators too. I don't know yet. So let me get y'all a little walk around this bit. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what channel this nigga posting this on, but whatever channel he posting it on, I'm not posting on mine yet, but I'm gonna let y'all niggas know. Blixen is on the way. You heard me? Blixen is on the way. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I go subscribe to my channel, man. He ain't gonna, he might not put it in the video, but nigga better put it in the video if I get mad.
Nigga.
But yeah, I'm on the way, y'all. I ain't telling my side yet. You know what I'm saying? I ain't telling my channel yet. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bruh. My bro about to get mufflers delete. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me get back to y'all. I'm chatting right now.
Nigga.
Yeah, we probably could. You'd have to put like a wide pipe and then come off and run the tube.
Okay. Y'all be do it today?
Yeah.
How much?
What is a different tip or what?
Yeah, what other tips y'all got?
Like 4 inch?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's boring.
Look at about 385 plus your tax.
What the fuck? Damn! Oh! So how much without the tips?
Without the tips?
Yeah.
Like 265 plus the tax.
Big check, what you got on, bro? What you got on, bro?
Today, bro, we got the J Studios.
Oh, yeah.
J Studios.
Yeah.
Foles.
Yeah.
Roser.
Yeah.
Sesame.
Yeah. Gotta get this. Come on, man. He loading that bar on, man. Ooh. Yeah. Be careful with that bar now. Yeah. Yeah.
Twin go.
One of one.
One of one.
One of one beats.
One of one. That's my favorite hoodie by him, by
Never
the
drop
way.
it, you know what I'm saying? We got the rye sweats, you know, some of the essentials, you know what I'm saying? We got the black cats on here, man.
We had to switch it up.
Had to switch it up, you know what I'm saying? I had the red Thunders on, but he got him on.
I'm gonna put this vlog, this gonna be 2 vlogs, so after the muffler delete, I'm gonna do a POV in it, or whatever, and put that on the car channel with this clip, but then with the same clips, I'm gonna record when we get content and shit, so it's 2 vlogs.
Oh, 2 vlogs in one, you working. Working, man. It's law, resonator delete. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, y'all, we only went resonators, it's only 110. The muffler would have been 380 something with the pipe.
With the pipes.
So
and the tips, he said, with the tips.
Yeah, with the tips. So I'ma just do the resonator for now and come back for the muffler and the pipes. I mean the muffler and the tips. So we still gonna get some sound. That's all.
Hey, bro, these lens not real, bro.
That been working good.
Like, there's no way these no stock lens, bro. It's like it's blur out the back, bro.
I don't know if I tweet. I don't think I tweet my settings. I just put the basic settings, bro. You know what I'm saying? We bringing that quality. The quality going up though, 2024 for sure. Thinking about going Sony 8.
700? 7,000
or 65, whichever one to start off with the 4K. I'm going 4K soon, but this bitch be showing like 4K.
That bitch show like 4K.
Nigga finna work, you know what I'm saying? Get working, get my shit right.
How you feeling, bro?
My baby going to surgery, man.
Surgery,
son. Man, that bitch clean, man.
This clean, son.
Put that bitch on the gloves, man.
That bitch clean.
Twin might go step forward. I might go step forward.
Hey, I told the vlog I'm on the way, bro.
On the way, bro.
How you feeling, bro? That kind of hurt it, bro?
That bitch just dangling over there.
Dangling, huh?
I'm gonna keep that bitch. Hey, then we got the motherfucking intake and shit. Shit for the thing, bro. But I'ma let them niggas finish working. I'ma get back at y'all whenever it's finished and shit. They welded it on right now, twins. Oh, what? That bitch is third. Oh my mama, that bitch is third. What you saying, bro?
No mask is crazy.
Hey, bro, that nigga thugging. It sounds the same.
He didn't really hit it though.
I know it sounds the same. This shit niggas hell though, bro. Oh yeah, I hear it.
He didn't really hit it.
I hit it different. I'm gonna hit it.
You want to hit it too much. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, it made some noise. That big getting aggressive now. That big getting aggressive. It just. Ooh! That big getting aggressive.
So,
Hey!
how they been They been loud?
Hey, they been loud, man. Hey,
this bitch gonna go crazy when I get that fucking muffler.
that just resonated.
That's just resonated.
That bit was loud.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Hold on, y'all finna cut off for y'all.
You heard that bit inside too?
It's not as loud inside. Like all I'm hearing is fucking turbo, nigga. I'm finna hit that bitch.
Hey, that bit was loud. I ain't lying.
I'm gonna put the windows down. Ooh, bro, wait till we get the fucking mufflers and the fuck. Damn, I can't hit that bitch. Oh my god. Oh shit, y'all. Why this nigga won't get behind me? Fuck you won't do? That nigga just don't know.
That's a stang, man. We
walk them little bitches down.
walk them down, huh?
Man, this big ass fucking truck, man. Fuck. I can't really do too much on this road either.
But that traffic crazy on a Wednesday.
Oh god. Fuck, son, this big ass truck fucking the sound up, y'all. I'm sorry. Boy, what the fuck? Boy, what the fuck? Nigga, you heard that shit?
Boy, that bit was loud.
Oh my god.
You gotta go into like a
tunnel, nigga.
Yeah, you gotta go in a tunnel. That bit was loud. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh shit. Wait till I get them fucking burbles, nigga. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Y'all, bro, I'm not over exaggerating for the vid, bro. This shit is. What the fuck? Traffic fucked up, yo, y'all. I'm sorry, bro. I can't really do that about it. Bro, wait till we get this bitch. Oh my god, bro. Oh my lord, Jesus. Hey y'all. That's the end for this part of the video, bro. This shit is crazy to me, bro. Like, what the fuck? It's not as deep as I wanted it, though. I ain't gonna lie, like that. You know what I'm saying? But fuck, like the turbo sound even crazier, bro. Like you hear that, nigga?
Yeah, I hear that, bro.
Bro, the turbo is crazy, y'all. Like, bro, man, what the fuck, bro? Nigga, I'm lost for words, bro. I'll give y'all some more pulls and shit later, but right now, shit, we probably finna just, shit, we could head to Goodwill, I guess. We gonna head to Goodwill, try to get some little thrifting, and then shit, I'm gonna pick the camera back up whenever I put that shit on and get my clothing content. But that's the end of this part right now, bro. So if y'all want, you was here first, man. I'm gone. If y'all wanna see see this clothing content and shit, make sure y'all stay tuned. And I'm gonna get back at y'all on game.
Yeah, she knows I got lean lows. That's the waterfall.